Alright, check this out today on the Unbox channel. This is from ZIEA, and looks like some kind of desktop hub with some AI screen and all that stuff. So we're going to unbox it as we do here on this channel. Very plain box, but let's have a look inside. So got a little note from Dr. J and the ZIEA team here about your friends, earn some rewards, and it tells you a little bit about your charging ports, which is 140 watt max there for laptops. Then you have C2, C3 fast charging, and a USB-A there on the front. A little bit more instructions there, but let's have a look in here. All right, here is the unit itself. Screen protector there, take that off. It looks like there's another screen protector there, to be honest. I don't know how to take that off exactly, unless that's supposed to stay on there. And then this one right here. It's nice and weighted as well, but I feel like that should come off. But we'll have to go attack that another way. It looks like it's got some little legs down here to prop itself up. Silicone on the base, little speaker down there. On-off switch, and has the little Mickey Mouse plug, and it does come with a plug. And guess what? That's it. That's full unbox experience there. Yeah, so here it is. Let's go ahead and plug it in, see what it's like right off the bat. We do have some buttons, and then you have your C1, C2, C3 there. Usually we just stick to the unboxing here, but sometimes when it's easy to plug in, it makes a difference. So here, we'll zoom in a little bit there. So you see these ports nice and easily. There's your C1 for laptops. Definitely might need to get some kind of thing to get any fingerprints off of it, but here we go. Plugged it in, turn on the power switch. So you have like an AI assistant here, and it looks like you can talk to it right here. And it looks like an alarm, buttons up top that will do different things. Kind of eager to see how this actually works. Also got to get I like the light down here is really nice. There's a little light, if you can't see it in this brightness. The light there. We have to activate the device with the app. That's kind of where we usually end it here, but I'll put a link down in the description to the full review of this thing. Show you what it can do, which I'm really excited to test out. But there we go. That's the unboxing experience for it, and hopefully you enjoyed. See you next time.